The paper mill train getting ready to leave. Yep, getting ready to take off, or they're probably gonna take off now, right now. Yep. So today it's Sunday, October the 12th, 2025, 2025. Yep, and the time it is 10:54 a.m. Yep. 10:54 a.m. Sunday morning. Yep. And it looks like they're going reverse. Yep. Yeah, they're probably not gonna go all the way this yet. Yep. So yeah, we'll get back to the video when they go over the crossing again. Yep. Boy, it took a while to get ready this train. I thought they were gonna go right away at the last clip before this one. Yep, the last video. Now it looks like they're gonna hook up. So the time now it is 11:37 a.m. Yep. So yeah, I'll get back on camera when they take off. Whoop, there goes that train. So hey camera, so right now we're north of the Paul, Manitoba, Canada. Yep, the PAS Manitoba train heading to the paper mill, train heading to the mill. Yep, so today it's Sunday, October the 12th, 2025. Yep. And the time it is 11:41 a.m. Yep, 11:41 a.m. It's almost noon, just about noon. Yep. Train number 1087. Yep. So yeah, skip the video now. See you in the next one. Peace. But I'll be back when they I'll be back on video when they come back. Yep. So yeah. Well, hey camera, the paper mill train is coming back. Yup. So the time it is 1:10 p.m. Yup, 1:10 p.m. Sunday afternoon. Yup. Paper mill train 1087 coming back, arriving back. Yup. It's gonna go over the bridge now. Yup. Boy, what a cloudy day. It's gonna be raining and it's even gonna snow too. Yup. So yeah, I'll get back on camera once they come through. whoop, there goes that train. So hey camera, so right now we're up north of the Paul, Manitoba, Canada. Yep, the PAS Manitoba. Train coming back from craft paper, train coming back from the mill. Yep, train number 1087. Yep. So today it's Sunday, October 12, 2025, 2025. Yep, and the time 1:15 p.m. Yep, 1:15 p.m. a Sunday afternoon. Yep. So yeah, skip the video now. See you in the next one. Peace. The guy that likes trains out.